Sir, you need to wait.
I called the supervisor for you.
For what? We don't need a supervisor.
I called the supervisor for you.
For what? I don't need a
Okay. Can you
I don't
You guys need to wait.
Don't touch this, bro.
I'm not touching you. I'm gonna call the police.
Call him. I don't care. What do these people think they are, dude? These people never learn. No.
You cannot record from the lobby, but you can record here from the vending machine.
What makes you say that?
I'm sorry?
What makes you say that?
What makes you say what?
What makes you say I can't record here in the
You can
public
record
area?
from here. I don't have a problem with you recording,
Yeah.
but you
Who are
can
you?
do it from here.
Who are you?
My name is Brittany. I'm the supervisor.
Alright, cool. You know this is a federal,
Correct.
a
But you can
public
record
building?
from here.
No, all this is a public area?
You can record from here, sir. Thank you.
Hold on. This is a public area?
Sir, you can record from
Answer
here.
my
everything.
question. Answer my question.
Sir, you can record from here.
Do you
Thank
want to have a cordial conversation or not?
We're having a cordial conversation, but I'm letting you know the instructions. You can record from here.
Why is that?
You can record from the vending machine.
Look, I've been here before, okay?
Okay.
I've worked on the stories here before. I'm going to walk around the public area. It's my right.
Sir,
So you can do what you got to do.
You can record from here.
Have a good day. You don't seem to understand and want to like have a cordial conversation.
Okay, sir, you can record from
All
here.
right, cool. Have a good day. Almost. I'm almost done.
Okay, sir, I'm going to ask you, can you please step over here?
Ma'am, I'm not going to do it.
Sir, I just need you to step over
Anything
here.
that's
You
open
can
to the
record.
public, anything that's open to the
You
public,
can record from here, sir.
and I can record anywhere there's public area.
No, you cannot. You can record
Yeah,
from here.
what will make you say such a
You
thing?
can record from here, or you can leave.
Well,
you can leave the premise.
I'm not leaving until I'm done with my story.
This documentary begins inside a public government building, where a citizen exercises his constitutional right to record in a publicly accessible area. Almost immediately, staff members react with discomfort and attempt to impose rules that do not exist in law. Instead of citing statutes or regulations, they rely on authority and personal interpretation. The narrator emphasizes the importance of public awareness, explaining that these encounters highlight how easily rights can be challenged when government employees misunderstand or ignore constitutional protections.
I have all the rights to record here. All this is public. It's not restricted. All right, guys. So this is it. It's not much. These people never learn.
Yeah, let me say something.
Yeah, go ahead.
You have your right.
Yeah. So why
I
you?
said, okay, I don't know. That's the supervisor.
I'm trying to let you know.
That's the one. If you wanna.
She's wrong.
But you know, she's not the one.
She's
It's
wrong.
the Constitution of the United States.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't wanna talk. Okay.
Yeah. Have a good day. She's wrong. I can record all anywhere it's public.
You need attention. I don't.
I know. I'm just letting you know.
It's fine. You just wait.
If they're not coming, we'll leave. If they're coming, I'm staying. So what is it? Are they coming?
You see me call somebody.
Ah, she did.
Okay, speak to her.
I don't. Maybe she told you were next to her. That's all. What's your name? What's your name?
You see me before. You talk.
Yeah, I know. But so why are we going through this?
I told you.
What happened last time?
Supervisor for you.
Listen, what happened last time?
Yes. Okay. You are.
Did you cancel that 911 call?
No, I did not. They're on their way.
Oh, okay, cool.
As the situation escalates, supervisors are summoned and conflicting instructions are given about where recording is supposedly allowed. The citizen remains calm and informed, repeatedly asserting that public areas are open to lawful recording. Despite this, staff insist on arbitrary boundaries and attempt to pressure him into leaving. This segment demonstrates a common tactic used to discourage accountability, issuing directives without legal basis in hopes that citizens will comply rather than question authority.
So I instructed them. So they want to record. We don't have where they're allowed to record from the vending machine.
Vendor machine, they're not allowed to come in.
Correct. And I want the
But
office.
from the vendor machine, that way you guys can record.
Papi, hold on. That's not the way it works.
What's the way it
It's
works?
like, you know the way it works? This is a public area.
Show me where
This-
statute says so.
This is a public area. I'm working on a story. Hold on, Albert. I'm working on a story on this DMV.
Okay.
This is all a public area. Anywhere that is public, I'm allowed to record. Just because they say and put boundaries wherever they want, that's not the way it works. I don't come here to antagonize anybody. I didn't interact with anybody. I come to take video, what I needed to take video of, and that's it. And I would have been, and I would have, hold on, I would have been out the door already. But since she called you guys because she wants to put boundaries on a public area in a public building, that's why I waited for you guys. Hopefully you guys do your jobs and educate them and her and let them know. I'm not sure. I'm almost done. I was basically
Are you guys
done.
here for an appointment or you're just here to record?
No, I'm here to work on my story. That's it. What's your name and badge number?
I'm Garcia, 8933.
Okay, cool. What's your name?
Laredo 10136.
All right, you know this is my constitutional right to record in a public
We've
building.
dealt with you a bunch of times.
So
we
then
know.
you guys
we
know
know
that-
your deal.
so the-
okay, that's why I'm asking you how long are you going to be
You
here
guys,
so I can let her know how long you're going to be.
you know what I really want to do? I want to catch you guys educating her. That's it. You don't want to look professional in front of the camera?
No, I don't.
You don't want to look professional in front of the camera?
No, I don't.
You took an oath, right, to defend the Constitution against going
Okay,
for
but I also
domestic?
we're not
So
we're
then
not
why are
making
you
a
not
show.
doing that?
Okay, well, go do what you
We're
got to
not making
do.
a show.
You're-
I'm
why
gonna
you're
go
not
talk to her.
honoring
I'm not making a show.
But I need to make sure that you
Because
guys.
you
I
can
don't.
tell her that this is a
Can I
constitutionally
talk
protected
now?
right.
Can I talk now? I heard you guys. Thank you.
Law enforcement arrives and is informed that the individual is recording inside a public building. Officers question his presence and intentions, even though no crime has been committed. The citizen explains that he is documenting conditions for a story and is not collecting personal information. He emphasizes the plain view doctrine and the lack of any expectation of privacy for government employees in public spaces. The exchange exposes the gap between constitutional law and everyday enforcement practices.
I don't want to do a show here, right?
I didn't come to interact with
That's
nobody.
why I'm asking. How long are you guys going to be here? So
I don't know
Hey,
yet.
listen, they're gonna be here.
When you guys leave, I'll leave. That's the way it's going to work.
You guys are already done with. What
When you guys leave, I'll leave. That's it. That's the way it's going to work, man.
10 on your oath?
You gotta let them speak.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, but the thing is, you have a testing area. They over allowing filming in the testing area. They can't come over there because we're not saying yes, of course, the person has everything.
I'm not here for nobody's personal information. That's number one.
I know.
Number two, if I put anybody's personal information on my video, it gets flagged. I'm not here for that. That's just an excuse for them to tell you that because they don't like to be recorded. Now, number three, I'm almost done. That's a testing area. I never went through there at all. I can. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Yes, I can, but I didn't. You see that guy with the blue shirt? I walked up to where that pole's at. I went like this, and I came this way. I don't care about the testing area, but I am going to record it. I'm recording everything in this building,
But
in the common areas. That's it.
Common areas.
Very calmly, respectful. That's it.
just
That's it.
avoid
Yeah.
getting anybody's personal information.
Of course, I can't do that, and
And
I'm not here for that.
avoid
I give you my word on that.
Any testing. 'Cause
Of course, I don't
Then
care.
they're like, it's cheating. You're putting her online. You know, we're trying to
That's
avoid
listen, and another thing.
That's understandable.
And another thing, these cameras right here is the same as mine. Want to know why? I can request them and post them online as well. It's the same
When
thing.
they request them, they blur things out.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, of course.
But
But our intentions aren't to capture personal information.
we
Yeah.
okay. We know this. They don't know this.
I appreciate you going and telling her. You know, this is what we want to see. You guys honoring your oath. That's it.
That's all. That's all.
If you guys get caught, but this wasn't necessary at all. I would have.
As officers listen, the tone shifts from confrontation to clarification. The citizen insists that the purpose of the police should be education, not intimidation. He presses officers to honor their oath to the Constitution and to explain the law to staff members who called them. The officers acknowledge the right to record while encouraging professionalism and boundaries. This portion highlights how knowledge, calm persistence, and recording can transform an unlawful situation into a lawful resolution.
Left already. I told her, and I was very nice and polite.
Walking around, make sure that you don't record
no, of
the
course
areas
not.
from the stations.
No, I don't.
or the
That's never
testing
our
areas.
intention.
That's not my
Anything
intention.
else?
I was just counting how many workers were working. My people want to see how many workers, how many people, how packed it is, how they're treating the people from a distance. That's it. But they feel uncomfortable. They're government employees. They got no expectation of privacy.
We told them.
Awesome.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
I really do.
You guys have a good day, all right? All right, guys. So there you have it for that. And we're gonna do a victory lap. I guess. Huh? They can't. It's my right to record here.
But you can just walk in without.
Yeah, of course. I'm recording. I'm recording the building. And this is it, guys. We're doing a victory lap right here and showing her that I can record here. We're out of here. All right, man. Have a good day. You see what you guys just did? You wasted their time. I still walked around there and they told your little supervisor I'm allowed to do that. So next time I come here, I expect you guys not to tell me nothing. That's why I came. Walk around, I was gonna leave, but you guys decided to be like, no, and call the cops. That's why I stayed. So I hope you learned something new again today. Have a good day.
The documentary concludes with a clear demonstration of accountability. After officers confirm the citizen's right to record, he completes his work and exits the building, proving that the entire confrontation was unnecessary. The final message reinforces that filming in public is protected under the Constitution and that rights are often respected only when citizens stand firm. Viewers are reminded that awareness, documentation, and education are essential tools in preventing misconduct and protecting civil liberties.